Hey Posh Babes, this is Amani, the CEO of Polish and Posh, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Posh sizing kit. So this is how it comes. I have this in the shape ballerina, and all of them are marked with the number of the size that they are. So this is made really easy for you if you are not good with measuring. Okay, so I have the two, so you want to make sure that it fits evenly from sidewall to sidewall. There's no gaps or anything, and it fits perfectly. Once you get that number, you're gonna write it for whichever corresponding finger. So that's my thumb. All right, so I'm gonna keep trying these on all my fingers so I figure out which ones fit. So when you get your numbers, you'll do it for your left and right hand because sometimes they have different sizes. I know my sizes, so I'm not gonna do both. But when you get your numbers, you're gonna look at the size chart to figure out if you are a small, medium, or large, or extra small. As you can see here, my numbers don't fit with any of them, so I would need custom sizes. If you don't fit any of the preset sizes, then you will have to make a custom order and then let me know your sizes. So I hope that the video was helpful and showed you how to use your Posh sizing kit. Hope that made this easy for you. Thanks for watching.